everybody. This is Wendy Ponomarenko. I'm the art teacher and librarian at Temple Emanu-El. And tonight I am doing the story Light by Jane Breskin Zalben. Hope you enjoy. This is Light, written and illustrated by Jane Breskin Zalben. In the beginning, there was emptiness, like a blank canvas. Then in a swirl of motion, the Creator made the world. The sun, the moon, and the stars were born. Still waters became rivers and oceans. Land became deep valleys and high mountains, blossoming with lush plants, trees, and fruit. Animals of all shapes, sizes, and colors appeared in the water, on the land, and in the clear blue sky. As a finishing touch, the Creator wanted to paint everything with a special kind of light, so the world would shine with goodness. The light was so powerful, it had to be stored away in a huge jar. But when the Creator started to open the jar, it shook violently, tipped over, cracked, and shattered. Sparks of light flew out. The Creator couldn't find the missing pieces alone. Who could help? Birds? Frogs? Beasts? Then the Creator had an idea. People were made to find the shards of light and bring them together again. Only then would the world be complete and perfect. People searched far and wide. They spied pieces sparkling on blades of grass, shimmering on sea kale, and glistening on insect wings. They saw the light in animals' loving eyes, and they discovered it in each other, and sometimes in themselves. Whenever people found the light, they felt contentment, joy, and peace. When they shared it with one another, there was no more hate, hunger, fear, or war. Many shards are still to be discovered. The world is incomplete and far from perfect. As long as people are searching for the pieces of light, finding them, and putting them back together, then there is hope that the world will be one. The end. Now this story is actually from the Kabbalah, which was written by Rabbi Isaac Luria, who lived in Safed, which is in northern Israel, in the 1500s. And he's the founder of Kabbalah. And considering that this was just after the Jews had been expelled from Spain very dramatically, this was he was in the very next generation after that. There was kind of this idea in his generation of trying to explain why the Jews had been exiled and been forced to kind of roam the earth. And it's thought that his finding of Kabbalah and writing down of these stories, these kind of origin stories, that kind of help explain this feeling that Jews often felt at the time of not being welcome anywhere, of being expelled everywhere, and being wandering. That it wasn't a curse but a blessing, because they had the job of finding the beauty in the world, of making the world a better place, and that you couldn't stay in one place to do that. So yeah, it was taking something and seeing it in a different perspective, turning it on its head. Kabbalah is still around, of course. You can very much read it. You can study it. Many people spend their lifetime studying Kabbalah and Jewish mysticism. It's a wonderful subject, and you can find this book and several others like it in the Juvenile stacks in the Judaism section. Enjoy.